sphere first. So the sphere is actually a ball. Sphere is a ball. Okay. So about this, there will be two things. One thing is, this is actually sphere. In mathematics we call sphere, and it is actually a ball. So football or tennis ball or whatever ball. So we have two things to calculate. One thing is volume, okay, because it is a ball, it is a 3D figure, so there will be a volume. And another topic is it is called surface area. Surface area. So tell me, what is the volume? What do you understand by this? Not the formula. What is actually volume?
Sir, volume is mm, the space inside the shape.
Right. So for a football, you will understand volume is how much air or water you can keep inside the football. That is how much air or how much water possible inside the football. That is called volume. So for a sphere, the volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is the formula for volume, and it will be centimeter cube, foot cube, inch cube, like that. Every time it will be cube. And now tell me, what is surface area? What is surface area? Who can tell me what is the surface area?
So the outer portion of the ball.
Right. So outer portion of the ball. Yes, correct. So if you just color it, if you give a color, say I'm giving a red color or blue color or orange color. So that will be the color where you put the color. Okay. So that is the surface area. Only the boundary, only the outer surface. So the formula for surface area is 4 pi r square. So that will be the formula for surface area. So now let me show you one calculation. So if I give you a question, one question like find the surface area and volume of a sphere with radius say 7 centimeter. So this is the question. So you will find two things. You will find the uh, volume of the sphere and also surface area of the sphere. So the radius is given. So that means the radius is given from the center of the ball. From the center of the ball, the radius is the line up to the surface. So this is given like 7 centimeter. So now you do the calculation and you write it. Okay, the answer will be surface area. You use the surface area formula. So you already know the formula, and your r is 7 in this case. So you will write 4 into, okay, you can write the formula 4 pi r square, then you put the value. So 4 into 3.14 and then 7 square. So you use your calculator now and find out the answer. So 4 into 3.14 into 49. So what will be the answer?
600. 150.
600
15. Yes,
One.
sir. 15.
15
Point 44.
44 centimeter square. So this is the answer. And another thing is volume. So you will also write the volume formula. So the volume formula is 4 divided by 3 pi r cube. That is the formula. So you write 4 divided by 3 into 3.14 into 7 cube. So you just put the number and then calculate by your calculator. So what will come?
Sir, 4,308. 4,308.
4308.
308. Yes, sir. 308.
430
Zero.
4308.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
08.
point
0.08.
0.08. Okay. So this will be centimeter cube. This will be centimeter cube. Okay, because the three-dimensional and it will be cube every time. If centimeter is given in the radius, so it will be centimeter cube. If inch given in the radius, it will be inch cube, like that. Okay, so this is the sphere calculation. Let me go to another shape, another figure. So let me start with prism. So the prism formula will be different. So let me start with prism. And what is the prism shape? Prism shape is, it is something in the bottom and something in the top. Same shape in the bottom and in the top. So let me take this shape. What is this called? It is a rectangle, right? It is a rectangle, and this is in the bottom, and it is also in the top, and you join the corners. So this will be the joining corner. So what do you think? Is it like a box?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Isn't it
sir.
like a box?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So the box
Yes,
is,
sir.
yes. So the box is, yes. So the box is also a prism. Box is also a prism. So let me take this shape, this one. Okay, let me take this one, and then I just copy this. Okay, I just copy this and then put it in the top. Okay, and then you uh, join the lines. So okay, একটু বাঁকা না করে দিলে. Okay, so let me join the lines. Okay, so these are the not this one, this one. These are the corners I am joining. The corners I am joining. Okay, so all the corners will be joined together, but the most important thing is the bottom and top will be exactly same. bottom and top will be exactly same. So the bottom can be a triangle also, the top can be also a triangle, and same bottom and top will be just joined together, so the prism will be made. So the prism will be made. Is that okay? Do you understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
So how many
Yes,
prism
sir.
possible? How many prism? How many prism possible? Many prism, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
the top side and the bottom side will be anything. Four side, five side, six side, three side, anything possible for the top and bottom. So there will be many different type of prism, but the volume formula is same. What is the volume formula? Volume formula is area of floor. I am saying area of floor. So what is the floor? Floor is the bottom side. Okay. Into area of floor into height. Into height. So if I want to memorize the formula, then I will write, this is the technique, that is the prism volume. Prism volume will be area of the floor and then into height, into Height. So height. So now think about all these. Think about all this. So what is the volume of the floor? What is the volume of the floor? Say for the middle one. What is the floor? The floor will be, I'm giving you say green color. So floor will be this. Floor will be this. That means the hexagon. Okay. And what is the third one? The floor is a triangle. And what is this one? Which one is the floor? You can think this is your floor. Possible. Is it okay? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the floor? So what is the floor area for this? What is the floor area for this?
Rectangular, sir.
Yes. So what will be the floor area? Length into breadth. Right?
Yes, sir.
Is and what is the floor area for this?
Sir, half into base into
Correct. Correct. So maybe half into base into height. Okay, maybe possible half into base into another formula, maybe root over s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Okay, so that is the area of triangle. So what is the area of the floor for the second prism? What is the area of the floor for the second prism? For the second prism. Do you know the formula for this?
no, sir.
No. So we do not know. You say no, sir. I do not know. Okay. Maybe there is a formula. Maybe possible, right? So you do not know. Then never mind. It's fine. It's fine. But you have to understand how volume will come. So this is the concept. This is the volume formula and the concept of calculation of volume. Now think about surface area. Okay, you do not know this floor area, no matter. Okay, if you do not know something, I will not give you any question like that. Okay, so don't worry about that. I will give you question what you know already. Okay, now think about surface area. So what is the surface area in prism? What do you understand by that? How many surface in the first figure? How many surface you have in the figure 1? How many surface in the figure 1? How many sides? That will be the how many surface. So how many sides here?
Sir, there are 6 sides.
Six
Six,
surface.
sir.
So all the surface are equal.
No, sir.
All no. So there are just something same say left side and right side, down and up, okay, and this and that. There are some equal but not everyone. How many sides you have for the second figure? How many surfaces?
Sir, 6.
6 surfaces, upper and lower,
So altogether
altogether 8.
8. Good, very good. So the upper one and lower one are same, and side surfaces are also same, right? In this case. What about the last one?
Sir,
4.
5 sides.
5 sides.
Okay. Oh, five, right, 5. You are right. So it is not 4, 5. 3 and 2, so 5. So there will be upper one and lower one same, and side 3 are also same. Side 3 surfaces are also same, but not all 5 are same. So it depends. It depends on the shape. It depends on the shape. So do you know the side surface for everyone? Do you know the side surface? Yes, you know. How do you know? How do you know? Because is in prism. Okay, I am writing in prism. Side surfaces are rectangles. All side surfaces are rectangles. So how many rectangles you will have? It depends on the prism. Okay, so rectangle you already know. How can you find out the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So this is already known to you. Okay. So there is no problem actually. You already know, but there is no fixed formula. There is no fixed formula. Surface area, it depends on the shape. How many surfaces will be there and how you will find it out. Okay. So that is not a big problem. Let me now do a calculation of prism problem. Any question, or you already understand what I say? You understand what I have said?
Yes, sir. We understand.
Yes, sir.
Now let me give you a question, and the question is find the side surface area and the volume of the prism as shown in the figure. So say this is the question, and I am now giving you the figure here. Say one figure is like a box. This is the simple one. Let me say I am giving you the box like this. Okay, and the measurement is, so there are some other sides like this. Okay, say we do not see those things, so the measurements are given like this is say 8 inches. Okay, and it is say 3 inches, and this side is 5 inches. So this is my first question. Second question is another one, number 2. Second question is, say the triangle is the 3 foot, it is also 3 foot, it is also 3 foot, all 3 foot, and the same triangle you have in the top, and you have the side lines like this, and the height is given like, say it is 7 foot. Now what to do? So I am doing answer 1. So let me find out volume first. It is easy. So what is the volume formula? That will be the floor area into height. This is the formula. So if this is the formula for the first one, what will be the numbers? Floor area will be 5 into 3, and then height will be 8. So this is the answer, and it will be 120 inch cube. It will be inch cube. Okay, so the surface area. So another part is surface area. So you find out all surface area together. So what will be the bottom? What will be the bottom one? Bottom will be 5 into 3, right? So how many 5 into 3 you have? 2. So 2 into 5 into 3. Why 2? Because one is the top and one is the bottom. Is that okay? Clear? Then plus. Then 2 into left and right. What is the left and right? That will be 8 into 3. 8 into 3. So 2, because left side is 8 into 3. Right side is also 8 into 3. And another one is front and back. So what is the front side? What is the front surface area?
Same as the floor, sir.
Who can say what is the front side?
Same as
Area?
the floor.
No,
Area.
same as the floor. No, wrong. No, wrong.
5 into
No,
8.
wrong. 5 into 8, correct. Front side is this. Front side is this. Is it? It is wrong. Floor and top. roof is this. This is floor. Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
So front side is this, and okay, and it will be 5 into 8, 5 into 8, because one is in the front side, one is in the back side. So all together you will find 2 into 15, that is 30, and 2 into 24, so it is 48, and 2 into 40, so it is 80. So all together you have 158. So that will be inch square. It will be the surface area, and that's it. Okay, done. So what is the second question? So you find out the floor area first. You will find out the floor area. For the second question, you find out the floor area separately, because in this case you need to calculate. So what is the floor area? What is the floor area? It is a triangle, and this will be this. So 9 by 2, so 4.5. So 4.5, and then 4.5 minus 3, and 4.5 minus 3, 4.5 minus 3. Okay, so altogether it is 4.5 into 4.5 into 1.5 into 1.5, right? So what will be the answer? Somebody can find it out. Who can tell me the answer?
Sir, 10.125.
Root over করছো?
No, sir. Then now 3.18.
So root over করার পরে
Sir, then root over করার পরে sir 3.18.
Okay, good. So 3.18 is the floor area. Now you will calculate the volume. So what will be the volume? Volume will be it will be square foot. It will be square foot, and volume will be 0.18 square foot into 7 foot. So altogether it will be 22.26 foot cube or cubic feet. And what is the surface area? Surface area will be how many surfaces you have. Okay, one in the top, one in the bottom. So 2 into 3.18. This is the top and bottom. And how many surface you have by side? How many side? 3 side. And what is every side? What is every side? Okay, how many sides? 3 sides. And what is one single side? What is one single side? Who can tell me what is one single side? Okay. Who can tell me what is one single side? This is the side. Front side, left side, right side. 3. So what is? Yes. So side area. What will be side area?
Rectangular.
How many sides?
3
Yes.
sides.
So length into breadth. 3
So
sides.
3
So
sides.
3,
So
then
9.
bracket. 3, then bracket. rectangle.
Yes, sir. 7 into
One
3.
rectangle is
7 into 3.
7 into 3. Yes. So this is 6.36 and then 63. So 69.36 foot square, or you can say, you can write square foot. So SQFT. So this is your answer. Okay. So these are the prism and sphere. So I will talk about other shapes on tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow I will take a shorter class, but I will take the class and I will do some more problems tomorrow. Okay, so that is it, and let me stop sharing the screen and go